Oh, my love, why is the world so cruel? You're my heavy lightness, my cold fire, my sick health. Please stop. You don't get it. It's deep. It's paradox. It's about the complexity of the human soul. It's not a paradox, Romeo. It's an oxymoron. You're just jamming two opposite words together. A paradox is a contradiction of ideas, not just vocabulary. Wait, there's a difference? Yes. And because he doesn't know the difference, his poetry is terrible. I'm Ron, and today on Ron Decodes, we are going to save your grades and your love life by fixing this mistake. Let's start with the one the confused Ron was messing up, the oxymoron. An oxymoron is a figure of speech that combines two contradictory terms. Usually, they are right next to each other. Think of it as a grammatical car crash. Crash landing. If you crash, you didn't land. Exactly. Or jumbo shrimp. It's tiny, it's not jumbo. Or act naturally. See the pattern? Adjective plus noun. Two words, opposite meanings. Shakespeare used it all the time to show confusion. Parting is such sweet sorrow. It's quick, it's punchy, and it's about words clashing. Now, the paradox. If Oxymoron is a car crash, the paradox is a time travel movie. It hurts your brain. A paradox isn't just two words fighting, it is a full statement or situation that looks false but is actually true. Let's look at Oscar Wilde. He said, I can resist everything except temptation. Wait, if you can resist everything, shouldn't you be able to resist temptation? Exactly. Logically, it's a contradiction. But is it true? Yeah, that's actually really deep. Or take the famous line, less is more. Mathematically, impossible. Less cannot be more. Artistically, it's true. A simple design is often better than a cluttered one. So, a paradox forces you to stop and think to find the truth. Okay, exams are coming up. How do you remember this instantly without my clone interrupting you? Here is Ron's rule. Test 1. The word count. Is it two words next to each other? Open secret, original copy, deafening silence. That is an oxymoron. Test 2. The wait, what? Reaction. Is it a full sentence that makes you pause and think? The child is father of the man. The sentence is false. That is a paradox. So, next time you're writing poetry like my friend here, I fixed it. Listen to this. I must be cruel only to be kind. Hamlet, nice. Is that an oxymoron? No, it's a full sentence. It's profound truth wrapped in a contradiction. It's a paradox. He learnt, and hopefully, so did you. I'm Ron. This is Ron Decodes, and I'll see you in the next one.